Hello guys, welcome to Rishmi Sharma classes, and today we are going to discuss a new topic of polarography which is used in polarography, that is carbon paste electrode. It is generally used in practicals, right? So let's discuss about it. Firstly, its introduction. The carbon paste electrode was first introduced by Adam. This electrode consists a paste of powdered graphite, right? You can say 3 gram of graphite powder with a suitable liquid, which may be mineral oil or bromophenol. Okay, it is filled at the end of glass tube or Teflon tube. You can use glass tube or Teflon tube both. And this liquid is called Mulling liquid. This we can say this Mulling liquid. Generally, a question is asked to you, what is a Mulling liquid? So you can say this formation of liquid which is used with graphite powder is called Mulling liquid. This liquid have low volatility, purity and low solubility. It means low volatility, low purity and low solubility in the medicines. This carbon based electron belong to a special group of heterogeneous carbon electrode, right? It is widely used in voltammetric measurement. Carbon based electrodes are also applicable in amperometric and potentiometry. So these are important use that it is used in voltammetric applications, amperometric applications and potentiometric applications, right? Now next one is its construction and diagram, which is most important. So what is the construction and working of its? Let's discuss. Firstly, construction. A paste of carbon paste electrode may be prepared by 3 gram of graphite powder with a liquid, which we have discussed later, right? Mix it thoroughly until the paste uniformly wetted. So we have to prepare a purely wet paste, and the resultant paste constantly similar to that of peanut butter. It would be look like a peanut butter paste. Okay. This is your diagram of carbon paste electrode, that we have a glass tube or you can say Teflon tube, which is shown by this, in which we have fitted a graphite rod which is approximate 3 mm, and this is our Teflon tube which is approximate 7 mm width, right? And this is polished flat solution, this one's. Okay, now the surface used in it should not be rough because they give poor peak currents reproducibility. It means the surface should be smooth surface, right? It means that the graphite must be highly pure to make paste, because pure graphite can prepare a smooth surface right now. So we have to use the smooth surface. So it means the graphite must be highly pure to make paste, and graphite should not be unnecessarily exposed to lab atmosphere, because we know that it will create harmful effects, right? It is important to mind that while packing Teflon, we don't apply too much pressure on the paste. It means we have to apply it lightly foam. It means a common light pressure, not so high pressure, because it may result into separation of graphite and oil, because high pressure can create separation of graphite and oil. It will give you oil formation in another side and graphite paste will remove from it. So don't apply less pressure, don't apply too much pressure. After this, in practice, small amount of paste is placed on a clean card and rubbed by a card to remove excess paste and to attain a flat surface, right? In construction, in starting of construction, we have discussed that we don't want a rough surface, we want a smooth surface. So for smooth surface, you have to apply small amount of paste, right, on a clean card and rub by card, that you can remove the roughness and it will make the flat surface and smooth surface, right? Now, what are the uses and advantages of it? There are so many uses and advantages of carbon paste electron in polarographic. So it will give you a low residual current, which is helpful. It will show fair current reproducibility. It's perfect. The flat surface of electrode is renewed time to time. It means we have to smooth the surface time to time. We don't want a rough surface. So the flat surface of electrode is renewed time to time. Next one, this electrode work well in aqueous medium. These are not so costly. So you can say these are cheap electrodes. So generally in most of the labs, carbon paste electrodes are generally used in polarography. Okay. These are simple to make and offer for the electron exchange process. It means in electron exchange process we use carbon paste electrodes. These are used in voltammetric measurements. These employ for analysis of organic and inorganic species. It means it is usable in both the conditions, in organic species and in inorganic species both. Right? Now last and least, what are the disadvantages of carbon paste electrode? It means if you have a question for at least 4 to 8 marks, then you have to define about its introduction, then its construction and working with diagram, and last you have to tell about the advantages and disadvantages also for getting complete marks, right? So last one is disadvantages. What are the disadvantages? Disadvantage, sorry, E is missing here, so let's create it. They have limited application in practical analysis. This is its most important disadvantage, that it has limited application, that you can use it in limited times, not overall everywhere, right? In it, physical, chemical or electrochemical properties may differ from one preparation to another. It means in every preparation you have to work for different type of formation. In physical chemical method or electrochemical properties, it will work as different formation in different practicals, you can say. Thus, each probe must be calibrated. It means every time, firstly you have to use this, then you have to calibrate it, then you use it again. It means in every practical you have to calibrate it properly. The paste disintegrate in non-aqueous medium. This paste will disintegrate into non-aqueous medium like acetonitrile, where you can say it should be solution type of, paste type of, but it should not be aqueous medium properly, right? I hope you get this video that we have discussed about carbon paste electron. If someone have any doubt, then you can tell me in comment box. If you have any type of requirement of any topic which is related to graduation, post graduation and school also, then you can tell me in comment box. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for further notification, that you can get my videos firstly. We will complete this polarographic topic, in which we will discuss all of the electrodes type. Then we will discuss different type of equations, that you can say Ilkovi equation, right, which will helpful in measurement also and getting marks also.